Hello, today I'm going to make connectors or links to use in the jewelry. It is very easy, very quick. You don't have to buy it from the store. You can make it your own. For this, I have this 20 gauge wire. If you want thicker, more durable connectors, you can take 16 gauge or 14 or 12. For this, I'm going to cut, and I'm going to use these reusable straws. You can use any round thing you have at home. This I got out from my son's toys, his painting supplies. These will make 3 different size of connectors. Let's start. I'm going to take small piece of wire and wrap it around this, like that. Make sure that you don't have a lot of space in between this curling. Now when you have this, the edge is a little straighter than the other side, so bend it a little bit and then cut exactly at the same spot. There. You have a perfectly fine connector. Now we are going to make with these wrap it around as tightly as you can. Like this. Now take it out, same as before, bend this edge a little bit, then cut it carefully and you have a link or connector. Now we are going to make, we already made these 2 sizes. Now we're going to make a smaller size. With this straw. Bend the edge. Cut it. And there you go. And the rest of our spring, you can just keep on cutting. Just another connector, another connector. So you just have to take a piece of wire, keep wrapping it, and then take it out just like a spring, and you can have as many connectors as you want. This, take another one alongside the first edge, another connector. So that's how you can make connectors at home. Very easy, quick, and homemade. You just have to use the stuff you have at your home lying around, and that's it. I hope you liked the video. Press the subscription button and like this video, and see you next time. Have a good day. Bye bye.